everybody, and welcome to another Let's Play music session with Mike Santis.
Yes! Let's do this!
Let's go!
I feel the wind run through my hair as I travel down the hill. I smell the rubber in the air coming from my front wheel. It's been 3 days I'm on the road, 3 more ahead along the way. Soon I'll be seeing you again. I'm coming back to you. 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 Coming back to you. All these years living without you have made me strong day by day. I didn't know what to do, I didn't know what to say, but here I am, I'm on my way, finally down the long great road. My mind is free, my mind is clean, riding my bike here alone. I'm coming back to you. I'm coming back to you. I'm coming back to you. Coming back to. I'm coming back to you. I'm coming back to you. I'm coming back to you. Coming back to you. Yeah, Coming Back to You, a song I wrote many years ago. I have never performed it, and that was a good chance to do it now with this beautiful bike, which I have to say thank you, Pierre, a very good. This is Pierre's bike. It's a Honda Shadow 1100, back from 1987, an old, beautiful bike, and I'm so thankful I could borrow this bike from Pierre. Thank you once again, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I also want to say thank you to my good friend Raul. Come here, Raul. Come here, Raul. Yes, for being here and helping me doing this video, putting the whole thing together, being the driver. So
The driver.
yes. So what do we say?
Kalenikta!
Good night. Good nuts. Kalinikta.
Noapte bună!
Yes, in Romanian.
Let's go!
Thank you. Bye. Lac pe bună.